No introduction.
Hello loves, welcome to another video. We'll be making pepper-free indomie. This is an hour of my late brother. He didn't like pepper, so I started by on my fire, placed my pot on the fire with water in it. Then I poured a little oil, added my 2 packs of indomie, that's noodles, and covered it to boil. Right, so that is the indomie boiling nicely. So I decided to drain it after some time, and oops. Yes, after that I added water to stop the cooking process. Yes, I didn't want the indomie to be soggy, right? So I added water, fluffed it out, and that's it. Now let's start cooking it. I added oil. I nearly said water. I added oil and allowed it to be hot for some time. Then I added my Kivo curry plus powder because I love the taste curry powder gives to food. If you don't like curry powder, just try it. Then I added my onion. So I put the onion to caramelize a little bit. Do you get it? Not too caramelized, as in the saute type. Do you get it? So I added my onion. I'm still adding. I'm done. Okay. So I added it, and I added a pinch of salt. To get a sweetness out of the onion. Do you understand? Yes. Then I added what did I add? I didn't add anything. Oh, I added eggs. Yes. I added eggs to it because we're just making normal indomie but without pepper. So we added our egg. I added 2 eggs, right? I added 2 eggs, mixed it with the onions, and allowed it to fry for some time, right? So that is the fried egg, like. It didn't cook thoroughly. I just liked it like this. After I fried it for some time, I added the carrots. Yes, nicely diced. That's my carrot. So I added the carrot, stirred it for some time for it to be infused with the guys, like, it's not easy. It's not easy. So I added the oil from the indomie. Yes, because I cooked 2 packs of indomie, I used the 2 sachet. Now I stirred it for some time and added the seasoning from the indomie. I used 1 because I don't really like the seasoning that much. I don't like a lot of the seasoning in my food. I added my shrimp powder. To it and stirred it for some time. Now let's add the noodles. Added the noodles. Yes, it was getting difficult for me to mix this. I don't know why it was very difficult, because I was trying. So I had to turn off the camera and do it with full vigor. So I think I'm done here. Then I decided to add something extra to it. So I fried plantain at the side and added it. Added it. Yes, indomie or noodles with fried plantain. That's awesome. I was just experimenting, but I think I like it. I like it. It's a nice combination. But will I try it again? No. As someone who is on a diet, I don't think I'll try it again because there's a lot of calories in that food. Yeah. thumbs up. Thumbs up for how great the food came out. Yes, so now let's plate and enjoy our food. Okay, kindly watch, like, subscribe, comment, and let's watch Sika Empire grow. And guys, I'm sorry for the audio of the last video. I'm very sorry. I didn't really know the audio was that low, and I'm grateful for the engagement. What? As at the time I'm recording this video, our YouTube short with the Kakobi stew is around 1.2k. What? Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Ignore my dramatic parts. Kindly enjoy. I've said enjoy, sir. Enjoy again. Until I see you in the next video, stay safe and remember that God loves you. I love you, but God loves you best. Bye bye. Cast your burdens onto Him.